Uh, so I did the kind of a fantastic hiking scene of the Pitkin Lake near Vail, East Vail. I snapped a photo where hikers are walking in front of me, and so I included the hikers in the particular photo. Usually I avoid all the people, I like the solitude, and I like the very serene atmosphere of the mountain. But I found this picture with the hikers in it, and I liked it because it seems like in a beautiful mountain scenes, it has this participation of the human in there. So I think that's something like most of the artists include the people in the paintings. Peoples, animals, and somewhat like a more immediacy to the human being, that you are there or you are experiencing this and that. So I think now, come to think of it, it's very effective to put in the human in the photo. My photo is always of flowers and no humans in there, so I have a hard time to find the materials. But this one, I'll show you. So this is the Pitkin Lake in the early summer. When I hiked, there the snow patches everywhere, but white flowers are blooming everywhere. It's early grove flowers, maybe, and flowering, and beautiful, beautiful, very refreshing sights. And so when I finished this painting, I liked it. So I started to look for another hiking people's included photo, and I couldn't find the photo of the hiking scene. And so wow, is that something maybe I could revise the photo to include? I could do that, right? I'm experienced enough to do that, but that's a long way to go. So but anyway, so I like this. I like this depictions of the beautiful mountain alpine setting, and people hiking, and that reminds me of hiking too. So yeah, that's a few cents today. Bye.